Hey guys, welcome to Techie's Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make a collage on Instagram story, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a collage on Instagram story, first open up your Instagram app and we'll be required to go to the story section of Instagram. So to do that guys, you can see the plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on the plus icon and we're on the live section of the Instagram guys. Now in order to go to the story, let's swipe to the right where it says this live at the bottom of the screen, and you can see guys where we will be on the story. Now in order to create a collage from over here at the left side, you can see guys there it says the layout. You can see there are a bunch of options available for us at the left side. Tap on the drop down arrow and where it says the layout, tap on it and you will be able to make a collage from over here guys. You can see there is the square shape. Again, tap on that square shape and you will be able to view different type of photos or collages which you will be able to take, and you can rearrange them as well if you want to, just by swiping them to the left and right. And after you're done with that, tap on the tick mark and you will be able to post it just like any other story. And guys, this is how to make a collage on Instagram story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.